the right, the Horsemen. The F7F Tiger Cat and the F8 Bearcat. Two legends in the sky today. The Horsemen will be flying their full routine later on today, I'm told. You will notice right now the profile of this airplane from head on. Just look at how skinny that center fuselage is. 4,000 horsepower. Just an incredible machine. A friend of mine runs an air museum down in Galveston says you have to smoke a cigarette when you walk past this thing. It's just so beautiful. Look at this thing as he touches down. Steve Hinton at the controls. Rounded out. There's the touchdown. Horseman number 1. Steve Hinton on the ground of the beautiful F7F Tiger Cat. I don't know, Jay, this is probably my favorite warbird ever. I mean, just look at this thing. It is so gorgeous. Just a beautiful airplane. Here he comes right down at Airshow Center. When Steve comes by later in this aircraft, you are going to notice a very distinct sound. If you are a fan of motorsports, this will become your new favorite sound when this airplane comes by in cruise power. Bearcat number 2 on final right now. Just touched down. With number 1 and right in front. Here comes Steve Hinton right down there on the right-hand side of the field from Chino, California. Steve, one of the foremost warbird guys in the business today. He is the president of the Planes of Fame Museum in Chino, California. They just had their air show out there a few weeks ago and celebrated the history of the 8th Air Force. A great man and a true patriot, Steve Hinton and his whole family, working really hard to preserve these aircraft and keep them flying.
I bet the fall.